Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. And I've got a fantastic recipe for you today. So we're going to start with our dredging station. I've got about 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then I'm putting in 3/4 of a cup of oat milk that had 2 tablespoons of hot sauce mixed into it to thicken. And then we're going to get that all whisked and add some salt and pepper. And then the secret ingredient. Better than bouillon, no chicken base. Oh. This is the key to all of your vegan fried chicken dreams. Add half a tablespoon of that and whisk together. Then we can move on to our dry ingredients. And for that, we're going to start with about 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of flour and season. We're going to put a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and we're going to also add a pinch of parsley at the end. In the middle, I'm going to add half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, cumin, and paprika. This is just how seasoned I like my breading to be. If you need to dial it back on any of these, feel free to do so. And just a reminder that I will have the full written recipe in the description below. But if you're enjoying this video or you're going to make this recipe and you love this recipe, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you're notified when new videos go up. Now, the fried chicken we're going to use today is maitake mushrooms. Yes, this I've found produces the best, juiciest, most tender, dark meat you could ask for in a vegan fried chicken. Oh my gosh, it is honestly just so delectable. Like I can't, okay, getting ahead of myself. We're going to double dredge these because double dredge is the best dredge. So you're going to put in your flour, put into your batter, and put back into your flour. Then just repeat. You want to be a little cautious with bigger pieces. I ended up tearing these apart. You'll see in the end result. If you do a bigger piece, sometimes you have to really drain the batter out of it and then get the flour in all the nooks and crannies. Or when you're going to transfer it to a paper towel like plate, the batter will still be kind of runny. So I am shallow frying these in some oil. And I'm just going to do it over medium-low heat, flip them, put them on a paper towel and plate, and season them with salt. You could totally air fry these. I don't really recommend baking. I didn't actually test it, but I don't think it would produce the same result we're looking for. If you do try it and like it, please leave a comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you. And that's it. Oh my gosh, here's our little bowl of fried chicken, our little faux bucket of faux chicken. Look at this bowl. Look at this juicy meat. Oh, it's so good. I just want to eat this all over again already. This is my go-to. This is far superior to the Gardein cutlets, far superior to just using tofu. The maitakes just bring something extra to the party. I can't. It's so good, guys. I really hope you give this a try. And I will see you all next time.